MPC, are you ready?
Oh, but you might be interested. I don't know if you know this already. I received a text message. I don't know where it came from, but it appears that the congressman from I don't know what district is representing in Mindanao, Davao, Antonio Florendo, is throwing his hat into the speakership. So he's vying for the speakership. There will be 4 now, as far as I know, or 5. I think he will issue, because when I received that message, I called him up, and he said yes. And he said he will issue a statement on the matter. I'm ready for any question.
Question, MPC?
Looks like you're full today.
Henry Uri, microphone, Maricel, thank you.
Yeah, Secretary, on the speakership.
Yes.
Bakit ho importanteng maiparating sa inyo yung kung sino man ang
I don't know.
vying for speakership? What is the implication as far as the palace is concerned?
I really don't know. I just received it. I'm just sharing it to you.
Are the camp of Speaker
I don't know where it came
of
from.
Congressman Florendo?
The sender is not registered in my directory.
You think they are soliciting your advice, or
I don't think so. You know, my phone receives all kinds of messages coming from I don't know where. Others I know, others I don't.
Pero ang palasyo ba ay may papangakong hindi sasaw-saw sa...
Oh, the palace never intrudes into the other branches. You know that for now.
So walang minamanok ang Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte dito sa speakership?
Oh, he never does that. He allows everybody to seek whatever position they want and let the constituency of that class decide.